Good Boss immensely in between runners alongside. Is Cool Summer moving up by the rally is survey says. And Chanel Kutocaster is running at the tail of the field by about 6 to 7 lengths of the leader. Back to the front runner immensely. Podolski, Good Boss, survey says Cool Summer, and Chanel Couto racing 6, and Custer is still running at the tail of the field immensely in between runners. Podolski by the Good Boss alongside, and by the survey says Cool Summer. Racing on the outside is Chanel Couto, and Custer still running at the back of the pack. Still three runners fighting it out for the lead. Good Boss on the outside. Podolski by the rail in between runners immensely. Cool Summer racing on the outside, joining them as they race the final corner. Good Boss now the leader. Cool Summer on the outside, and by the rail Podolski. Three runners fighting it out for the lead. Podolski in between runners, and Cool Summer on the outside. Custer by the rail. Cool Summer on the outside. Custer, Podolski, and finally the horse of Fernand Reyes. Cool Summer, Custer, Podolski, Good Boss, Chanel